Good morning, Mia. Welcome to my architecture studio.
Good morning, Oliver. I am very happy to be here today.
Let us look at the empty land on this map.
The land is near a small forest and a river.
That is a perfect location for a quiet family home.
I want a house with a lot of natural light.
We can use large glass windows on the south side.
Will the house be warm during the cold winter months?
Yes, we will use special insulation inside the walls.
I also want a very large kitchen for my family.
The kitchen will be next to the big living room.
Can we have a wooden terrace outside the house?
Of course, a wooden terrace is great for summer evenings.
How many bedrooms are there in this first plan?
There are 3 bedrooms on the second floor of the house.
That is perfect for my 2 children and me.
Do you need a small office for your work?
Yes, a quiet office with a view of the forest.
I will put the office in the quietest corner.
What color will the outside of the house be?
We can use light gray stone and natural brown wood.
I like that combination. It looks very modern and clean.
Here is the first drawing of the front door.
The door is very tall. It looks very strong.
It is made of solid oak and metal for safety.
I am very excited to see the next step.
We need to talk about the building materials now.
I want materials that are good for the environment.
I have some interesting samples on my big table.
Let us look at them right now, Oliver.
This is a sample of natural clay for the walls.
It feels very cool and smooth to my hand.
Clay is excellent because it helps the house breathe.
Is it strong enough for a 2-story house?
Yes, when we mix it with some natural fibers.
And what is this beautiful gray material over here?
That is local stone for the floor of the kitchen.
It looks very elegant. Is it difficult to clean?
No, it is very easy to clean with water.
I want to use local materials to save energy.
That is a very smart and ecological decision, Mia.
Look at this light wood. It smells very nice.
This is pine wood for the ceiling of the house.
Will the ceiling be very high in the living room?
Yes, it will be 4 meters high for more space.
I love high ceilings. They make me feel free.
We can use the same wood for the stairs, too.
Wooden stairs are very quiet when children run up.
I will choose a soft oil to protect the wood.
Is the oil safe for children and for pets?
Yes, it is a 100% natural organic product.
Good. I care a lot about the air quality.
Now look at these small samples of metal.
Are they for the roof of the new house?
Yes, this metal is very light and very durable.
Will it be loud when it rains on the roof?
We will put a thick layer of wool under it.
Wool is a very interesting material for a house.
It is the best natural insulation in the world.
Your choice of materials is very impressive, Oliver.
Look at this screen. This is your future house.
Oh, it looks so real in this 3D model.
I can move the camera inside every room now.
Please, show me the view from the kitchen window.
You can see the river and the tall trees here.
The garden looks very big on this 3D plan.
I am adding the garage on the left side now.
The garage is for 2 cars, is that correct?
Yes, and there is space for your bicycles too.
I want a small place for my garden tools.
We can put a small shed behind the garage.
Let us see the living room during the day.
Here is the sun at 12 o'clock.
The room is full of light. It is very beautiful.
The 3D model helps us to avoid many mistakes.
Can we change the color of the kitchen wall?
Yes. What color do you prefer for the kitchen?
I want a soft green color like the forest.
Now the wall is soft green.
It is perfect. It matches the wooden table well.
Do you like the position of the fireplace?
Yes, it is in the center of the room.
It will provide heat for the whole house in winter.
I can imagine my family sitting there in December.
A fireplace makes every home very cozy and warm.
This 3D model makes me very happy today, Oliver.
It is important to see the house before we build.
How long did it take to create this model?
It took me 3 days to finish the details.
You are very talented. The house is like a dream.
Now we must talk about the energy of the house.
I want to use the sun to get electricity.
We will put 12 solar panels on the roof.
Is that enough for the lights and the fridge?
It is enough for all your electronic devices at home.
What happens when there is no sun for 2 days?
We will have a large battery in the garage.
The battery stores the energy for the cloudy days.
Exactly. You will be independent from the city power.
That is great. I want to be a green consumer.
We can also collect rainwater from the roof.
Can I use the rainwater for my garden?
Yes, and also for the toilets inside the house.
That is a lot of water. How do we store it?
We will put a large tank under the ground.
Is it difficult to maintain this water system?
No, you just need to clean the filters every year.
I want my house to be as smart as possible.
We can install a system to control the lights.
Can I control the temperature with my smartphone?
Yes, from any place in the world with internet.
Technology is amazing. It helps us to save nature.
This house will use 70% less energy than normal.
That is a big difference for my monthly budget.
The house is an investment for your future life.
I am ready to start the construction very soon.
First, we need the final permission from the city.
I have all the documents ready in my bag.
I will check them tonight and call you tomorrow.
Thank you, Oliver. You are a very careful architect.
Let us plan the area around your new house.
I want a lot of flowers and some fruit trees.
We can plant apple and cherry trees in the back.
I also want a small place to grow vegetables.
The vegetable garden should be in the sunniest spot.
I will grow tomatoes, carrots, and some green salad.
We can build a small wooden fence for protection.
Protection from what? Are there animals in the forest?
Sometimes small deer come to eat the fresh lettuce.
Oh, that is very sweet, but I want my salad.
The fence will be low and very beautiful.
Can we have a small path made of stone?
The path will go from the house to the river.
I want to walk there every morning before work.
We will put some small lights along the path.
Solar lights? I want to save electricity in the garden.
Yes, they will charge during the day and glow at night.
Will there be a place for a small campfire?
I can design a stone circle for your fire.
That is perfect for singing songs with my friends.
Your garden will be a small paradise on earth.
It is important to have a connection with nature.
Architecture and nature must work together as one.
You are more than an architect, Oliver. You are a poet.
I just want my clients to be happy.
I am very happy. This project is my dream.
I will finish the technical drawings this week.
Should I visit your studio again on Friday?
Yes, Friday at 10 is a good time.
I will be here. Thank you for your hard work.
Everything is ready, Mia. Here is your project folder.
It is very thick. There are many papers inside.
These are the plans for the builders and engineers.
Now I can see the final cost of the house.
It is exactly within the budget we discussed before.
That is very good news. I was a bit nervous.
I am a professional. I respect your time and money.
When can the workers start digging on my land?
They can start next Monday morning at 8 o'clock.
I will be there to see the first step of the work.
I will be there too. I must supervise the process.
How long will it take to finish the whole house?
It will take 6 months to build and finish everything.
So I can move in before the next winter starts.
Yes, you will celebrate Christmas in your new home.
I will invite you to the first dinner in my kitchen.
I would love that. It is my favorite part of the job.
Here is the final signature on the contract.
Thank you for your trust, Mia. It is an honor.
You made the process very easy and very interesting.
I am glad you enjoyed the design phase with me.
Now the dream is becoming a real building of stone.
A house is a story, and yours is a very good one.
I'm going to buy some new furniture this weekend.
Wait for the final measurements of the rooms first.
You are right. I must be patient for a few more weeks.
I will send you the measurement list on Monday.
Perfect. Have a wonderful evening, Oliver.
Goodbye, Mia. See you on the building site.
Goodbye. I'm so happy right now.